Indian foods. What do you call this, bro? Huh? Chapati. And this?
Dal, dal,
Huh?
dal.
This?
This green beans.
Beans, no? What is
Green beans
that?
and fish fry, fish fry.
Wow.
Chas, chas.
Wow. This is chicken. This is Indian foods, no? Very nice smell, no? Oh, aroma. Very nice, no? What kind of chicken? What kind of rice? But so very big, no? Very big rice, no? Nice, no? Eat, no? With Coke. No!
I'm not eating this fish.
Oh, you eat. No! You eat, bro. You eat, bro.
No, no, I'm not eating.
Okay. I will taste, no? This is hot?
Mm.
Hot?
Hot.
No, I don't like hot, no? Because I'm hot.
Give them.
I don't eat, I don't like hot, no? Because I'm hot.
Take.
No. No. You eat. Nice, bro, ah. Eat, ah. Eat more, ah. Yo! Gobi! Eat. Okay, guys. This is Indian food. So, very nice, no? Very nice smell. More garlic and onion, no?
Yes.
Yes, mikos.